everyone! We hope you'll be fine. Today we're going to make a sweet and delicious recipe. Special vermicelli noodles. So watch this video till end, you'll love it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all new videos and updates. And please share this video with your friends and family. Let's have a look on the ingredients we'll be using today. Cream, vermicelli noodles, and dry fruits. These will be the main ingredients of our dish. Take a saucepan and add 1 liter milk in it and let it boil. When the milk gets boiled, add 2 tablespoons sugar or as per your taste into it. Now add 1 cup colorful vermicelli noodles in it and let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. It's very famous in our culture. Please tell in the comments box from where are you watching our videos. Now I've added 1 cup of cream into it. Now it's time for the dry fruits to be added into it. Now mix it gradually. You can also add some coconut powder if you like, as I've added into this. Now mix it gradually so that the taste of all the ingredients gets enhanced. Our dish is now ready to be served. Add some dry fruits topping. If you're still watching this video, it means you love this recipe. Please try it. Look how mouth-watering this is. I'm sure you're gonna try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.